Hey guys, my name is Simon, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Yeezy V2 Blue Tint. So if you look at the box, it's the same as the other V2 releases. It says 350 on the top, Boost on the side, normal cardboard box, nothing too fancy. Here you can see the front, I'm a size 10, and then you'll see here on the other side, it just says adidas.com/Kanye. So here I'm going to open the box up. Was a little bit hard to get open, but nothing too crazy. You'll see the wrapping paper, just plain wrapping paper, no branding, no logo, nothing too crazy. Open it up and you see the shoes. First thing that popped out to me is that the color really comes through more in real life than it does online. I thought it looked pretty kind of white online, but you definitely see the blue more in real life. So I put them down here. You can see that there's a couple different accents of blue on the shoe. The piping around the top by the ankle is where it's the darkest, and then there's kind of like a light blue shade that goes through the middle around the Sply 350. And then there's like a see-through blue tint on the outsole. And then as with all the V2s, you can see at the heel, there's a little bit of a different color. And then there's a pull tab at the back with a little bit of a red accent that goes well with the Sply 350 in red on the side. On the inside, on the insole, it just says Adidas Yeezy, same as with the other ones. And then the outsole on the bottom is the same, just got that Boost styrofoamy triangle kind of look on the side. What I realized immediately with these shoes, just feeling them, is the material feels really nice. The laces feel really nice. I feel like it's a pretty good quality material. And I'm actually looking forward to try these on. I know there's been a lot of hype around Boost. I haven't had too many myself, so I'm excited to be able to get these on and try them out for myself. Here I'll show you at the back of the heel, there's like a 3-stripe Adidas branding around that blue piping that I was talking about. And yeah, I can't wait to get these on and try them out. I'm pretty excited.